Hello and welcome to another video in our video series, 3 Minutes of California Family Law, brought to you by Family Law San Diego. I'm Bud Kluick, founding and managing attorney at Family Law San Diego. For folks thinking about divorce or legal separation, you have a lot of stuff to think about. For example, how will I survive and pay the bills? What will the effect on the kids? Thinking about all this is very important. A divorce or legal separation is a massive life adjustment. You may think about those various elements and effects so much that you don't really concentrate on how do I get started if I want to start a divorce or legal separation case. The first thing to do will be to file a document with the court system called a petition. Now, when I say you're going to file a petition, I do not mean you as an individual are going to be doing it. You have an attorney, a law firm like Family Law San Diego will handle everything for you. But with that understanding, filing a petition starts the case. In California, in the county of San Diego, the figure is $435, but most likely wherever you are, you'll have to pay a filing fee, probably around that amount, between $400 and $500. Once you have filed the petition, it comes back, and there is an official Smith versus Jones case, or Amy versus John, or Amy versus Jane case. There'll be other documents filed as well, like the UCJEA documents, which are involving where the children have lived. There'll be other documents, but a bunch of documents are filed, they come back, and then we have to get them in the other party's hands. There are two ways to do that, a hard way and an easy way. The easy way is that they sign for the documents, acknowledging that they received them. It doesn't mean they agree with them. It doesn't mean they agree to get divorced, just rather they have them in their possession and they're acknowledging that they do. The other way to handle this is somebody will come up to them and they say, you've been served, and they hand them the papers. Either way, that starts two clocks ticking, a 30-day clock and a 6-month clock. The 30-day clock is they have 30 days to file the paperwork. And the 6-month clock is that's the first day the divorce will become final, or could become final. A typical divorce takes 9 or 10 months, and it's not unusual to take more than a year, but the shortest it can possibly be legally is 6 months from the person that did not file first gets the paperwork in their hands. If they decide to file within that 30 days, the document that the other party would file is called a response. They are responding to the petition. The petition petitions the court for a divorce. Please, court, give us a divorce or legal separation. And the response responds to that petition. The filing fee will be the same for both the petition and response. The parties are also served with what's known as ATROs, Automatic Temporary Restraining Orders, and the ATROs cover the time period that the case is pending. We can also file requests for order hearings at the beginning of the case. You're requesting that the judge make court orders regarding child custody, child visitation, child support, alimony, attorney fees, and other kinds of issues. Now, you all will get final orders and your final judgment of divorce. But in the meantime, it's going to take a while. It's not unusual to take more than a year, and stuff's got to happen during that time period. Kids have to be taken to school or soccer practice or whatever. Bills need to get paid, and that's what the requests for order hearings are about. There usually is a flurry of activity at the beginning of the case when you're getting started. I hope this is helpful to understand those steps on how to get started. If you have any further questions about how to get a divorce or legal separation case started, please contact us at Family Law San Diego for a free consultation. And if you found this video to be helpful, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the link below. You can contact us at Family Law San Diego by telephone at the number listed below, or find us on the web. Thank you very much.